Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Come up with a really exciting opportunity for the students who loves building website, experimenting with AI or creating new tech projects. Then today's opportunity might be right because what if you could spend a day with other developers and innovators, build something from the scratch, use Google Gemini to power your project and compete for a special best use of your Gemini Award. Sounds interesting, right? Well, this is Create with Gemini, Develop and Ship. In this video, I'll explain what this event is about, who can participate in this competition, what you need to build, what you need to submit, and how your projects are judged, and the important deadlines. So let's get started. What is Create with Gemini? So it's a Develop and Ship is a hand-on technology event where the developers, innovators, and learners come together to build a working project. So here the main focus is on the AI and the web development with participants using the Gemini API to bring their ideas to life. So this is not just about attending a workshop or listening to your present. You're actually expected to build something during the event, right? Now, who can participate in this competition? The event is aimed at the people interested in the technology, development, AI, and the innovation. It's also described as beginner friendly, so you don't necessarily need to be advanced developer or to participate in this competition. However, make sure you meet the event's age and the location eligibility requirements before the registering. So if you're just getting started with the AI or web development, this could be a good opportunity to learn with actually building something new project with the Google Gemini. Now let's talk about what actually you need to build in this competition. During this event, you will create a working project or a prototype using with the Gemini API. Your idea can solve a real world problem, automate a task, help users, or simply create something innovative. The important thing is that you should actually build and demonstrate your project, not just present an idea. And make sure Gemini plays a meaningful role in your solution. So think of your problem, find a creative solution, use Gemini to make it better, and build something that works. Simple idea, smart use of AI working project. How can you use Gemini? This one is most important part of your challenge. Don't just add Gemini to your project because you have to think about where AI can actually make your product better. Like for example, Gemini could help with content generation, analyzing information, answering user questions, automating the tasks, and creating an intelligent interaction within your applications. And the stronger the connections between your problem and you use the Gemini, the more interesting your project can become. What do you need to submit? Once your project is ready, you will need to submit the required project deadlines. This includes a short description of your project and your GitHub repository and a demo video or the screenshot showing your project. And you will also need to explain how you use the Gemini API in your solutions. So while building, make sure you keep track of what you're doing. That will make the final submission much easier. Now let's talk about what you can win in this competition. There is a special best use of Gemini Award category. There will be 4 winners with prizes including Claude and the credits. So if you're participating, don't just focus on making your project look good. Think about how you can use the Gemini in a way that it is creative, useful, and meaningful. How will projects will be judged? The projects will be evaluated based on your different categories. The first is creativity matters a lot. Like they'll see, is your project idea interesting or original? Then there is a technical execution. Does your project actually works or not? The judges will also look at your Gemini API usage and whether you're using it meaningfully or not. There will be also considering the impact of your solutions and your overall the presentation. So remember, a great project is important, but being able to explain the project clearly is also very important. And the important deadlines, August 26, 2026 at 2:30 a.m. and registrations through the MLH event registration is mandatory. So if you're interested in participating, make sure you register before the deadline. So here is my advice. Don't try to build something huge. You don't need to create the next chat GPT. Instead, find one small problem that people actually face, then ask yourself like, can Gemini help solve this problem better or not? If yes, build another that idea. A small project that works really well is much better than a huge project with lots of unfinished features, right? And don't forget about your demo. Show the problem, show your solution, and show Gemini in action, and then show the result. Keep it simple and clear. So create with Gemini, develop and ship could be a great opportunity if you are interested in AI web development or building AI part projects. So you get the chance to build something, experiment with the Gemini API, work with other developers, and compete for the best use of the Gemini Award. And who knows, you might start the event with just an idea and finish with a project that can you add a GitHub and the portfolio. So that's all guys for today's video. If you found this opportunity useful, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll bring you the latest hackathons, internships, competitions, and other career opportunities, because your next big opportunity could start with something as simple as